Roxy Mathew Koll here from Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, that is IITM, which is under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. At IITM, we study the climate sciences. We do a lot of monitoring, modeling of the climate around us, the weather and climate, how it is changing, how it is going to change in the future, and so on. We are around 150 scientists working at IITM, and I'm one of them. I look into how climate impacts humans like you and me, and what kind of solutions we can make. And it's in this aspect that I'm giving a talk here at SYMRESEARCH 2, where I am looking into how climate variability and change, the undulations, ups and downs in monsoon patterns, how the rainfall, how the temperature changes, and how it impacts climate-sensitive diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya, and so on. It's the monsoon season now, and we see a lot of people getting infected, hospitals getting full, and some people dying as well. Can we have a solution for this? In fact, if we have the data, of climate, for example, the rainfall, temperature, humidity, and so on, and if we have the data for the health impact, for example, how many cases are there, for example, in Pune or some other places in Mumbai or in Delhi, then we can connect these two, the climate parameters and the health parameters, and find out the intricate relationship between these two conditions. If it was like 5-10 years ago, I would use statistical methods to do that. Right now, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning to extract that intricate relationship. And that's what I have done here to fit the intricate relationship between these climate parameters and, for example, dengue cases. And there is a 2-month lag between the climate conditions and dengue. For example, if you have rains in May or June, the dengue cases will peak in July, August. The maximum deaths we see are during October and November, which means if we know the conditions and the relationship and we have a model to predict, we can avoid some of the cases and deaths. And that's the gist of the work that I'll be presenting here. And it has been a pleasure to visit Symbiosis International University and also interact with all the participants and the students that are present here at SYMRESEARCH. It's a wonderful time. Excellent students. I saw some of the presentations and the discussions and the questions as well. Quite active, and so is the faculty. I am excited by the research and the work that has been carried out at Symbiosis. Thank you.